Hello everyone and welcome to another Math tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 5 Additional Mathematics, Chapter 2 Differentiation, Long Question Example 3. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. Find the first derivative of y equals to 2x plus 2 over x from first principles. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries, I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve this question. This question is similar to the previous example that we have discussed, where it is involved the first derivative using the first principles method. Okay, the only difference is this question is slightly complicated. Okay, so if you haven't watched the previous example, so I will recommend you to watch the previous example first, then you come back to this video so that you can able to understand this question better. Okay, so let us proceed to solve this question. So to start off, I'm going to write the whole equation here. So from here, y is equals to 2x plus with 2 over x. So this will be our equation number 1. So let me label this. Okay, so this is your first equation. Okay, as for the second step, what we're going to do, so from y, so we're going to write in terms of y plus delta y. Okay, as for the x, so we're going to write in the form of x plus delta x. Okay, delta y represents small changes in y, delta x represents small changes in x. Okay, so let us continue. So from here, y plus delta y will be equals to 2 in a bracket x plus delta x close bracket plus with 2 over x plus with delta x. Okay, let me underline the fraction over here. Okay, so the 2 you expand in, so from here you should get y plus with delta y is equals to 2x plus with 2 delta x, and then you plus with 2 over x plus delta x. Okay, so this will be your second equation, guys. Okay, let me label this. Okay, so I hope that you understand the working till now. So for the next step, what you're going to do is equation 2 you're going to minus with the equation 1. Okay, so we're going to start with the left hand side first. Y plus delta y you minus with y, so you're only left with delta y for the left hand side. Okay, now we focus on the right hand side. Okay, so the 2x and the 2x we can cancel them out. Okay, let me write this properly, just if in case you guys confused. This is not delta x, guys, this is actually 2x. Okay, so the 2x you minus 2x you get 0. Okay, literally this concept, what you do is the right hand side equation we minus the right hand side equation over here. The right hand side of the equation 2 you minus with the right hand side equation of 1. Okay, so from here you left with 2 delta x, okay, plus with 2 over x plus delta x. Okay, let me copy paste this. Okay. Oops, wait guys, okay, let me, okay, and then you minus with 2 over x. Okay, so this is the concept behind the equation 2 minus with equation 1, guys. So I hope you understand. So for the next step, what you're going to do is, okay, let me copy paste this and I continue my working over this side. Okay, so from here let us continue. So what we can do is this 2 over x plus delta x minus 2 over x, we can combine these two fractions into one single fraction. So what you're going to do is we're going to make the denominator same. Okay, how are we going to do that? Okay, let me show you in the working over here. So delta y is equals to 2 delta x plus with 2 over x plus delta x minus 2 over x. Okay, let me underline the fraction over here. So we can make the denominator same. So what we can do is, so let us start with the left hand side. So x plus delta x, so we can times the whole equation by x. Let us start with the denominator followed by the numerator over here. Okay, as for the right hand side, so we can make the denominator x plus delta x. Okay, when you times the denominator, you must also times the numerator as well. Okay, so this is the basic concept, guys, to combine two fraction into one single fraction. Okay, so from here delta y will be equals to 2 delta x plus with 2x minus with this 2 you expand in, so from here you get minus 2x minus 2 delta x. Okay, and then you divide with x square plus x delta x. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. So 2x minus 2x, so you get 0, so this one you can cancel them out. Okay, so from here you will get delta y will be equals to 2 delta x minus 2 delta x over x square plus x delta x. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, so for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to divide the whole equation by delta x. So we're going to form the expression on the left hand side such as delta y over delta x. Okay, so it will be equals to, so this is our left hand side. So as for the right hand side, it will be 2 minus, okay, originally it will become 2 delta x divide with x square plus x delta x divide with delta x, but since this is a fraction, so I decided to write in this way. Okay, where 2 delta x over x square plus x delta x. Okay, wait on a second, guys, let me underline the fraction. Okay, and then you times with 1 over delta x. So you divide with delta x, so when you times, it will become 1 over delta x. So this delta x you can write in this way. Okay, bracket delta x. Okay, you don't expand in, you just write in the bracket form. Okay, so now what you can do is this delta x and delta x you can simplify. So delta x, simplify, get 1 here, simplify, you get 1 here. Okay, so from here your delta y over delta x will be equals to 2 minus 2 over x square plus x delta x. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. Okay, so we are very close to our final step. So for the final step, what we're going to do is we're going to find the dy dx. Okay, so to find the dy dx, so dy over dx will be equals to limit of delta x approaches 0 with respect to delta y over delta x. So this is the formula, guys. Okay, let me underline, let me box this formula. Okay, so from here let us continue. So from here dy over dx will be equals to, so this delta x equals to 0, we substitute into the delta y over delta x over here. So from here dy over dx will be equals to 2 minus 2 over x square plus with x times with 0. Why 0? Because we set our limit where our delta x approaches 0. Okay, so from here let me underline the fraction. Okay, so you calculate this, you should get your dy over dx equals to 2 minus 2 over x square. So this is your final answer, guys. Okay, let me underline the fraction and underline the solution. So this is your final answer. Okay, so this is your final answer, but in case if you have doubt whether your answer is correct or not, so we can try with the conventional method. Okay, so let me double check with the conventional method. So this fraction, you move it to the top, so it will become y equals to 2x plus 2x to the power of negative 1. So you differentiate this with respect to x, dy over dx will be equals to, so this power of 1 will be reduced to power of 0, so you only left with 2. So negative 1 you times with 2, so from here you get negative 2 x to the power of negative 2. Okay, so you change this into the fraction form, so from here you get dy over dx equals to 2 minus 2 over x square. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Can you see you get the same answer here? Okay, so that means that our working is correct. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.